We set sail on a dream, chasing horizons so vast. With the sun on our faces, we thought we had it made fast. But the sea, she's a fickle mistress with secrets she won't reveal. The smooth sailing's just a mirage, a fantasy we can't steal.
Yeah, windlass is on. Oh, you got the anchor alarm?
So we left our anchorage in Fuerteventura and headed to the south of Gran Canaria to a little town called Pasito Blanco. Sailing started perfectly. Light winds, no waves, but as always, that can't last for long. And by 9 o'clock at night, it was 8-foot waves, 26 knots of wind, and it was pitch black.
Oh, he's moved. Jumper's off.
Huh?
He hasn't fun. We're off again, another all-nighter. You ready for an all-nighter, B? You sleep all right? Yeah. All right then. We haven't hit the waves yet. Let's see. Not big ones. Not big ones. I just don't like any waves of any kind unless I'm surfing. And then they're fine. Oh god. Wow. Wait. But you can't see any. It looks flat. So we've seen land already. Gran Canaria. Woohoo! Can't really see it though. Where's Gran Canaria, Has?
Just give me
over there. You have to point.
Just wait. Just
there.
Just give me 1 second of the time.
Can't really see it, but we can see it.
Oh, Mum, I need your
Just
Wi-Fi.
there. Oh, we haven't got any Wi-Fi, Has. There's no Wi-Fi happening.
Yeah, that's it.
Teenagers always need Wi-Fi.
No, there's only
No
one
Wi-Fi.
reason. I'm not.
It's crazy out there. Just been drenched by 2 waves. So I'm soaking. It's like 18 knots of wind. 1 to 2 meter waves. Which isn't that bad, I suppose, but it's hard work in the middle of the night. It's 2:30 in the morning. I've got about 18 miles to go. So I'm just about to get changed. Because I'm soaked. Drenched.
We arrived at Pasito Blanco in the early hours of the morning. We dropped the hook and grabbed some sleep. We had a few days there before we headed into the marina to meet my family, top up our water and grab some supplies.
It's nice, isn't it? One's gone. There's a couple of naked boats here. Not naked boats, naked people on boats. But he's not doing his naked handstand this morning. No naked handstand? You saw the naked lady, didn't you?
I did.
I didn't see any naked ladies.
There was hair on show.
I saw.
And there wasn't on her head.
Oh, hello.
Oh, is that what we got there?
Oh, I didn't, did I? Let me see.
Oh, no, was it low?
That looks like paint.
Was it low or was it high?
That looks like paint.
Was it low or was it high?
I don't know. I didn't think it was that low, but it's hard to tell.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not that there. All adds to the story, doesn't it?
Whoops. Anchor, bash the front of the boat.
Yeah, all adds to the story, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
He did it! He landed it!
That was pretty impressive.
That was really impressive.
You get whipped.
Oh no.
I can't even get the other side of it.
I'm trying to get off.
He can't get the other side of the skimming rope.
Wait, wait.
Bring it over.
You need to come forward.
No, Dad.
You need to come. You- Go on then.
Give me your hand. Harry, don't let you. Harry, don't let
You said them all. They all went. Oh no. So I was really looking forward to having a shower, but the toilets are shut and the showers are shut and there's no water in the entire marina because I don't even know actually why. There's some problem with the pipe, or I walked around the whole marina, all 3 toilets, and I was like, Chris, it's so weird, they're all shut, I can't stand it. So it's like washing my hair might have to wait. I'm so salty. We had a lovely swim this morning and it is really nice to be back in the marina just for a couple of days. We're only here till, so it's Monday today and we're here till Thursday. So we're just catching up on washing and bits and bobs. Not much shopping because there's not really anything, just a tiny spa shop. But yeah, I'm just like, oh no, my shower is quickly disappearing. Harry's doing the bilges, Chris is working, hello, and Bethany is doing maths, and I
boring math.
am cleaning the boat. Does it look clean?
No.
No. So I'm just walking to the beach for a morning swim. It's about 7:45. I thought I had it to myself, but actually there's people swimming already, only a couple of people. So just behind me, it's about a 10-minute walk. No, what am I talking about? It's like a 2-minute walk from the marina. So we always like to swim before breakfast. So it's just me today though. Chris is studying because of his job, so he's trying to get some study in. There's a little exercise park just here, which is cool, which is open till 11 AM. So yeah, it's really nice. After a week of fun with my family, we headed up to Las Palmas, ready for the ark and our big crossing to the Caribbean.